Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to do a road trip close to Impruneta. I'm going to do a time lapse to get there. The weather is some clouds, and probably later on it's going to rain, so wanted to go there before it rains. And let's see how it goes. Hopefully there is no traffic. Today is Saturday. And probably there is going to be a market, local market. So it's going to be interesting. Anyway, I'll take you with me and I'll see you in a bit.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.